Watch this. Moxie, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. I got a surprise for you. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, it's time to shower. Avo. Maple! He's in there!
Be nice, good boy.
Hey Milo, I see your paw there, and I was wondering, why are you covering something you don't have? Oh, I'm sorry, buddy.
It's the you have a crooked nose on the side view for me. Ow! I was just kidding!
Milo, I have a question for you. I was sleeping peacefully last night, and I was wondering, why did you jump on my head at 3 in the morning? Huh?